Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart or reboot your Dyson 360 Vis Nav. If you're interested in this Dyson, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals. You can also shop and check out our new robot vacuum comparison tool on our website that allows you to search and filter the data and rank it how you see fit. So anyways, back to this video. On our Dyson right here, make sure it's disconnected from the charging station and just hold down the top button here on the screen. And now we have a power off option right here. So we can go ahead and we can select power off. And now it's going to work on powering off. This is going to be our restart or our reboot. So it'll shut off. Once the screen's off, you know that the vacuum's off. And then we'll give it a couple of seconds and then we'll go ahead and we'll press and hold the center screen again to power the Dyson 360 Vis Nav back on. So we just wait. It's powering off. There we go. It just powered off. We'll give it a couple of seconds here, but now we can go ahead. We can press and then release, because you'll notice that the box for the screen boots up. You can hear it. You can see the Dyson logo. And now it's in the process of restarting back up. Give it a couple seconds to get back online, but that's it. That's how you restart or reboot your Dyson 360 Vis Nav.